Hello, hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. In my previous video, I explained how you can download OpenStreetMap data and how you can extract it for your study area and how you can download it by using different websites. And as in my previous video, I downloaded the data for my study area like Lahore, Pakistan. And now in my this tutorial I will show you how you can utilize that data into Google Earth Engine and how you can perform different analysis and how you can perform calculation statistics. For here I'm loading that OpenStreetMap data that I downloaded and I uploaded that data into my Google Earth Engine, and I will also add that video link uh, so you can watch that video how you can download OpenStreetMap data. So here you can see I downloaded my buildings footprint polygon. So here you can see it's showing me different classes and OpenStreetMap ID string. You can see as I downloaded the data from OpenStreet, and here you can see the names Lams Masjid, library, building, and male hostel. So but it's like Sayyid Murattab Ali Shah Port Complex and different names, but it's only limited to 10 for the first 10 features because you can't load like that much big data. So I will use that code to show us all the buildings if name available. Now let's move to code without wasting time. So first of all, we loaded our area of interest. That's my Lahore boundary, Lahore shapefile, and then I loaded OpenStreetMap buildings data. So Lahore boundary is my shapefile, and that buildings is my OpenStreetMap that I downloaded, buildings polygon. And then I selected my area of interest map center. So you can set it by inspector. For example, I clicked at this point and you can see at point I'm getting the latitude and longitude information. So you can see zoom level 18. I selected 18 and you can see latitude and longitude. Sorry. Then I selected this. So after setting my map center, then you can also select your study area center as you can. Then I added the buildings layer. You can see the number of buildings, and then I added that building layer, and I selected color red. And here's the main thing, I applied the function to get the total numbers of building, and you can see the total number of buildings I just highlighted. Then here you can see different statistics, building names, building areas. So I just clicked on building names. It will take time because we got a huge number of buildings like 2 3 4 8 8. But here I'm showing you the function how I applied the I applied this function to get the total number of buildings, and I also applied the function to get building names and areas. I converted the buildings into area like hectare, but you can also convert this data to other specific units, whatever you want. And here you can see loaded successfully loaded my building names, and you can see it's like very bijma. It's a big data, and you can print all the elements, and you can print names if I show you here, you can see Lams Masjid, library, building, power units, male hostel, Sayyid Mahatab Ali Shah Sport Complex, and different names. You can see I got like huge list. So Masjid Darul Salam, and you can see, so these all are the names we got using this code. And in this way you can get all the names, you can print all the name. Okay, as I'm just showing you in the video. So these are building names, and you can see like building names, building areas, and in the last I will apply function to get the residential building. So here you can see number of residential building 97. So this is the code. You can just capture screenshot, or you can drop me your mail. I'll share this code with you, and here you can see how I applied the uh, area functions and how I got the residential number of residential buildings. So I applied this function to get the number of residential buildings, and let me show you the results. I clicked on run, and here you can see the orange one is my boundary, and the red one you seeing actually Lahore buildings, and these are polygons and different. So you can see via this way you can use Google Earth Engine to calculate, measure your building areas, and you can perform different analysis. You can integrate this data with the population, and you can like analyze population, that in which areas the population is higher. You can compare population data sets with it, or you can utilize this building data set with different areas, or you can calculate, and you can also utilize in land use, land cover. So via this way you can get, or you can utilize your OpenStreetMap data into Google Earth Engine. So Google Earth Engine is like very powerful, and you can perform any kind of data. And here's how I perform this. And if you want to get these polygons and like study area for if you want like these buildings for your study area, you can watch my previous video how you can download this data for your study area, and how you can apply this function, upload to this Google Earth Engine. You can follow my previous video, and in this video you can get how you can calculate the statistics as I shown you, and how you can load your layers. So it's all about uh, today's tutorial. So have a nice day. I hope that it was helpful. Have a nice day, and remember me in your prayers. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz. Bye.